beside her, I am a better man. When I look to leave her, I always stagger back again. Once I built an ivory tower so I could worship from above. And when I climbed down to be set free, she took me in again. There's a big hard sun beating on the big people in the big hard world. When she comes to greet me, she is mercy at my feet. When I stay to pillage her, she just throws it back at me. Once I dug an early grave to find a better land. She just smiled and laughed at me and took her blues back again. There's a big hard sun beating on the big people in the big hard world. There's a big hard sun beating on the big people in the big hard world. And when I go to cross that river, she is comfort by my side. When I try to understand, she just opens up her hands. I stood to lose her when I saw what I had done. Burned down and threw away the hours of her garden and her son. So I tried to warn her and turned to see her weep.